Hi everyone, now I will introduce how to use our flu detection application. As we can see, the icon is on the home screen here. We just launched this application by clicking it. And now we enter our application homepage. Actually, we offer the users 3 methods to log in. The first one is to log in with the Twitter account. And the application will ask the Twitter user for permission to run on users' mobile devices. And the other one is to log in by receiving the verification number of the text message each time via the user's mobile phone. The authorization page is like this. And the user's mobile phone number will be required. And the last one is that users can just skip the login procedure. In our demonstration, we prefer using the Twitter account to log in. Now we enter the authorization page. We enter the email address and the password. Then we authorize this application. Here, as we can see, we are directed into the option page. In this application's option page, we can notice that there are several query input boxes: the topic, the date, the location, and the searching radius and the searching results items. Now we are going to test the detection map. For our testing, we just choose 3 groups of testing input data randomly. For our first group of data testing, in the topic, we enter flu. And in the date format, we enter 2013. June. And we set the current location as our location. And for the searching radius, we set 2000 miles. And for the results listed items, we also set as 2000 items. And now, after we input finished, we began searching the tweets. As we can see, the tweets has been listed out. The content of tweets listed is associated with what the topic the users have entered. For example, like flu, a list of tweets containing the word flu will be listed out. Then we check the date and time is right. And next, we tap the Google map here to see how the flu diseases outbreak distributed. As we can see, the markers of the data have been displayed. We can move around and zoom in, zoom out. Then we come back. If we want to see the strength of the disease in different areas, we can click the heat map. We zoom in. Now we can learn about the density and strength of the disease in different areas. Well, here we should note one problem, that is, the markers shown on the map may not be as much as the tweets listed. That's because some users don't turn on the geolocation functionality. It will cause the pin overlap on the map, thus making the markers displayed on the map are not as many as the ones in the tweets listed. Also, another problem is that we should note the Google map is associated with the location and searching radius, the searching results information. But however, for the heat map is only related with the date information the users have input. Now we come back. Next we will choose the second testing data to test. Here we enter the swine flu. We still choose the data before. And for the searching radius, we set as 500. The results listed atoms is also 500. Now we start searching the tweets. The tweets has been listed out. Now we check the Google map to see how the disease distribution. We move around and zoom in, zoom out. Then we come back to see the heat map to learn about how this disease strength and density in the US. Now we come back. Next, we will use the third group testing data, H1N1. Here we change our data format. We choose another date, which is October. We still choose the current location as our searching circle center point. And for the searching radius this time, we choose the default value, which is 100, and the same as the results listed, 100 atoms. Now we begin searching tweets. It stopped. Maybe we can try it again. We log in with Twitter, authorize the app, and H1N1, and the data format we choose October 2013. We set the center point as our current location, and we choose the 100 miles as our searching radius and 100 atoms as our results listed out, and we now begin searching the tweets. Now the tweets has been listed out. We check time and data is right. And now we check the Google map to see the disease distribution. The markers have been displayed on the map successfully. Can move around, zoom in and zoom out. Then we come back. Now let's see the density of the disease distribution in the US worldwide. Here we can see how the disease density in the US. As we mentioned earlier, the heat map is not related with the location and the searching radius. It's only related with the date the users have input. So the data displayed is the worldwide in the US. Well, okay, that's almost of our teamwork that we have done for this project. And thank you all for watching our demonstration. There are still some problems in our application, but we will try improving this later. Thank you very much.